Hello. Okay, this looks like the right window. Move my Rome out of the way. Okay, so first little demo here is, so we used to have the deep research toggle in this little gear menu, but it was the only option. And as we're getting ready to roll this out to GA, we swapped it over to this little hat down here. So if you click it, you're now toggled on. If you click it again, it'll toggle it off. So it's a bit clearer when you're in the conversation if you're in deep research or not, whereas right now, like, you wouldn't know you're in deep research once you leave the little popover menu. So a little bit of better communication about what's going on there and the state that you're in. And then we also rebranded it to just be called research mode as well. And then the second demo, which is maybe tangentially related, is about loading states in the AI chat. So we have some loaders and some text that kind of tell you what's going on when you complete a query. So in this case here, you see it's like going to say generating query. It flashed for a second. Oh, man, this is going way too fast. I need a slower query. Let me see. Show me whatever sales by month. So hopefully this will take a little longer. So you see like generating query here, it'll pop up. This is a text loading indicator. Once it generates the query, it's going to run it and it's going to have this little loader here and running query. So it's a bit redundant. It's not very pretty. And these kind of like unpleasant loading states, I guess you could say, we wanted to polish up. And so hopefully landing soon is an overhaul to this where let me try to run the same query. You'll have a nice thinking indicator. It's going to say I'm going to generate 2 queries. That was also too fast, so let me do the slow one. So you have a nice thinking indicator, then a nice generating query indicator, and then when it eventually gets to running the query, you'll see a nice running query indicator. So we're not using as many, like any sort of combination of text and loading state. Now we just have everything wrapped up in these little loading animated icons to show you the state of what's happening with AI behind the scenes. So hopefully it's just a bit of polish that we're adding and a bit of consistency to the loading states that the AI is throwing at you. And so you also see states for like summarizing documents and things like that show up in these indicators as well.
Wait, Gustav, just a quick question. What is the plan to roll out deep research?
I think we've solved all of the known problems. I think it's just a turn it on for people. I have one more bug I'm working on around how it tracks
It's
his work.
yeah, it's in beta. It's we're keeping it behind a feature flag right now. Comfortable turning it on with folks. The thing that Jack's actually been doing some customer research on is a lot around the workflows piece right now, and we're finding a lot of interest, like use cases where the workflows can take advantage of deep research in a way that also keeps it a bit more on the rails. So I'd say like open for beta testing, still doing a bit of like research to figure out if it's good enough to just turn on for everybody with like, yeah, its ability to potentially go long running.
Yeah, I mean, we could always add a message that's like, use your brain.
Yep.
My only question is just like, do we need a permission on it at some point to turn it on or off? It seems
I,
like that doesn't make sense, but like, I just don't know what people are going to say.
I think the toggle we're going to want is more where you can control credits by user and put
Yeah.
caps
Okay.
because, yeah. So, yeah.
Thank you, Ariel. That was a great answer.
No, thank you, Gustav.